How to use Clockify with Trello to track time. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can track time on Trello with Clockify. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now there are two ways that you can actually do this. So first I'm going to show you one where you integrate Clockify with Trello within the browser itself, and then I'll show you how you can do it within the Trello application. So first things first, come over onto Clockify and just sign in. The sign up process is very simple and it's free as well. So just simply click on start tracking time. It's free over here and you are good to go, or you can just simply sign up by clicking on the sign up free button over here. Now I've already created an account, so I'm just simply going to go ahead and log in, and I'll catch you guys in a second. All right, so I have now logged in into my Clockify account. Now what we need to do next is we need to download the extension, right? So you could either install it from here. As you can see right here, we have Android, Apple, Chrome, and Windows. Or what we can do is we can just simply come over here onto the profile picture and click on download apps, and we can download our extension over here by clicking on get for Chrome and clicking on get Clockify for Chrome. It's going to open up the extension browser over here, and we just simply add to extensions. So it's going to go ahead and add an extension to our browser, and over here, there we go, it's now added. Now let me just go ahead and pin it as well. There we go, it's now pinned. And now what we need to do is we need to log in into our extension. So as you can see, we're currently logged into the browser. If I click on the login button, it's going to automatically detect that I've logged in within the website, so it'll automatically log me in. Here we go. So now what we need to do is we need to come over here onto Trello and we need to sign up. Right, if you already have an account, you can just simply go ahead and click on go to your boards, because I'm already logged in. But if you don't have an account, you can just simply enter in your email address over here and sign up. It's very simple and it's very free. So now let me just go into my boards, and since I already have the Clockify extension, if I go into any board right here, I click on any of these tasks, I will automatically see that the action button, underneath the action button, we have start timer. So we can easily track time over here within the browser. We don't need to do any integrations or anything like that. We just need to log in into our Clockify account, download the extension, and it'll automatically do its thing. So, and it'll automatically sync up over here, and we can just simply click on start timer. It'll ask us over here within the extension what we wanted to add in on, what type of tags we want to add, and is it billable or not. So we're going to check billable and click on done, and as you can see, it's now turned blue, which means that it is tracking time over here, as you can see. Now this is the one method. This one for the browser one, this is how you add the Clockify extension within the browser Trello. Now let me just show you how you can do it within the application. So if I open up my application right here, as you can see, this is the Trello application. Now what do we do over here? So over here, what you need to do is you just simply come into your workspace. Then over here onto the top corner over here, you will see you have the power up option, right? So this is basically integration. So they call it power-ups, but they're basically integration. So you click on power-ups and you click on add power-up. It's going to take you up over here into the extension board over here, and over here you can see you have hundreds and thousands of applications that you can go ahead and connect to with Trello. So let's go ahead and add our Clockify. So for that, we'll just simply come over here into the search bar, and we'll just simply search for Clockify. And once we have it, this integration will pop up over here, and we just simply click on add, and then we just simply click on add, and boom, here we go, the integration has been added. As you can see over here in the enable section, we have it right over here. Now what we need to do is we can go ahead and close the power up section, and over here within each of these tasks, we'll click over here and we will see the Clockify integration within the task. And now as you can see, I'm currently logged in. If you're not, all you got to do is just simply log in with your API, and you can find the API over here. So it didn't ask me that because I had already performed this task. I mean, I already created this video before, but something went wrong with it, so I had to do it again. But basically, you come over here into the profile section, you click on profile settings. All right, you scroll down, you will find the API over here. What you're going to do is you're going to generate the API over here, generate new key. All right, then what you're going to do is just simply copy it and then come over here onto Clockify. and then just simply paste the API section key over here. It's going to ask you to do that. It's going to ask you to enable it. And once you put it in, this is how it's going to look like. And since I am tracking time on my browser, so it's tracking time over there as well. Same thing with other teams as well, other tasks. If I click over here, I can go ahead and track time over here. As you can see, currently this is how it looks like. If I wanted to end it, I could just simply click on set as billable, right? And then just simply click on start tracking it, click on the play button. It's going to load up and start tracking time for it as well. Very simple, very easy. Over here, as you can see, I have, track time before. So total billable minutes is 6 minutes. So now if you just simply go over to Clockify into the browser section right here, you will see it is currently tracking time. And if I click on dashboard, you will see all of the time tracked over here. And reports, you will see it over here as well. So you can also create different projects as well. So let me just simply create a new project. So I'll just say automations. It is purple color. Yes, it is public. Select clients. I don't have any clients. I'll just say Dan the man. Control and enter to quickly create the client, and then I simply click on create, and now we have ourselves a project. Now whenever someone is tracking their time, as you can see right here, they will be easily set it into that project. So I'll just choose the project automation. There you go. It is billable and it is working. And you can enable the timesheet mode as well, where you can see all of the time. So yeah, pretty simple, very easy to do. So this is how you do it. Again, I just want to mention that since I couldn't show you over here, but basically it basically asked me to add in the API. So what I'll do is I'll actually just let me first stop it over here within the browser. There we go. If I come over here, let me actually reload it because I think it's stuck. Let me actually show you how you can do it. So click on power-ups, click on add power-up. All right, search for Clockify. There we go. We click on add, it is enabled. As you can see over here, we close it up, and over here, if I open up a new task right here, this is what I was talking about. You click over here, you edit power up settings. It's going to ask you to enter the Clockify API token right here. So you go into the browser section, go into profile settings, scroll down, find the API, first generate it, of course, generate new key, then copy it, and then just simply paste it within Trello and click on save. It's going to connect automatically. You don't have to do that. Over here you have the billing options, configurations, all of that, but basically you're done. Then it's going to look something like this. Then you just simply click on this play button right here, and it's going to automatically track time. So very simple, very easy. This is how you do it. The API section is a little bit, I would say, tricky, but I'm pretty sure you get it. So if you still have any problems, let me know in the comment sections and I'll be sure to help you out. So, but yeah, basically the browser section is the browser mode, or the browser way is more easier. You just add the extension into your Chrome browser and it'll automatically detect the extension, and you'll just simply have the action to start tracking time underneath the action section. You can even add time as well. You can add 15 minutes, 30 minutes, whatever. So very easy to do so. So this is how you do it. This is how you track time within Trello using Clockify. So that is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.